Hello everyone, in this video I will introduce you this powerful smart power distribution box, and we will look at the principle and look at this hardware system. And about the software, in this video I will show you the Home Assistant. We can how to use Home Assistant and work with box, and also that can use by Kinkonly software. In future I will make another video that used by Kinkonly software without Home Assistant. Okay, let's look at step by step. Okay, you can see this is our system, and I have connected the socket for this channel 1, and this is a Raspberry Pi Linux computer. I have installed Home Assistant, and this is Home Assistant software. And let's look at this hardware firstly. I will introduce you everything. You can see this is a Kinkonly A32 Pro controller. So you can see the controller is really output 32 channel, and also you will find that many digital input for sensor, and this is M30. So that 30 channel energy meter monitor the all channel output. And you can see this is power incoming, that is power input. This is lead line, and this is neutral line, and this is main brick at here. And this every brick I have used this 20 ampere. It can replace by yourself. So I just use 20 ampere. And you can see the lead line and input, and that will go through at the top. This one line all have connected together. This is second at here, because this current will be large. It have total 32 channel. So we can use this one connected together, all lead line connected together. But I use this two cable, this thick cable, and to go through for two-way for this current. And this one you can see that have connect to this fuse. This is a fuse that for power supply, for this DC power supply. And the system, you can see that is power incoming, and this will output, this just output, every channel output. And this time I have used this CT sensor because I need to monitor the current. Just you can see it here. We have custom design this smaller CT sensor, and before we can use this one. You can see this is a CT clamp. This is big, and the output one, you can see the output, the signal just have the 3 1. Actually this is ground. Actually you need to use this two cable is okay, because if you use this one, this CT clamp, you can see that is too big. If I have installed 32 channel, that will be very large of this box. So this time we have custom design this small CT sensor. So that is very small. It also have 2 cable for signal output. So you can see I just install this one, and to every channel at the output, because we have totally 32 channel. So these 2 channels without the CT sensor. So we have monitor the 30 channel, and this you can see that have output. If the channel 1 is output, go through this brick, that will go through this contact. This is DC contact. You can see positive and negative. This is DC contact, not AC contact. And this is manual control button. And you can see this is positive, and this is negative. So you can see this is DC 12 volt from this controller output. And this main controller, you can see that 32 channel relay, this COM have all connected together with this 12 volt from this power supply. And this is 12 volt. You can see 12 volt, 4.5 ampere. So this, you can see this L and this N, this L and N. And this is 12 volt output. This is 12 volt output. So this power supply give the power for this board and this board. This board also uses 12 volt. You can see 12 volt at here, 12 volt at here. And this controller A32 Pro is 12 volt at here, So that have just output 12 volt and give this DC contact coin. So that will control this DC contact on and off. And this is ground. This N means ground. So this you can see, negative all have connect with the ground. Just connect with this with ground G and D. And you can see, for example, the first channel at this one that have a hole, that is output to the load. So I have connected a circuit for testing, and you can see this is testing, and I have connected a computer power supply and a computer and some different load just for testing. This is lead line, and this is blue is neutral line. Neutral line, you can see that have used this cable. I have connected to this one. This is neutral. This blue is neutral, and this is neutral terminal. Also, you can connect it here. So I just without the earth. You can also connect to the earth at here. This is earth, so you can connect this cable to this one. But just I testing for Home Assistant, so I without connect it. And also the earth is connected to this metal door. So this is a structure, hardware structure. And you can see this is output for the coin, for this contact coin. And in this one you can see that have 30 channel for CT sensor. Just every CT sensor you will connect it here. For example, this is CT1 and CT2 and CT3 and CT4. So you can see I have connect all 30 channel input. And this one you can see the voltage monitor. This have connect with L and N. Because I have used this single phase. So I just monitor one channel of the voltage. So I have connect this 3 channel L and N together. Just all connect with this L and N. If you using 3-phase power incoming, and you can monitor 3-phase power voltage, so you can connect with this phase 1, phase 2, and phase 3. So you monitor the 3-phase different phase voltage. Okay, this is hardware structure, and let's look at my Home Assistant. And you can see this is Home Assistant software. And this is relay, and this is the AC for dimmer, and this is for analog input sensor, analog voltage or current sensor. So, for example, if you can see, I can turn off. So you can see this is off, and this contact you can see also is changed. So let's look at it again. If I turn all on, so you can see if I all on, you can see that it become red. This is red. If I turn all off, and you can see that is all off. Okay, this is controlled by the Home Assistant. And also you can see if I turn all on and click M30. So this is a page of M30. You can see current 1. This is current I have using. And you can see energy and the voltage and the frequency and the temperature and the power for this channel 1. because I have only connected with this channel 1 for testing. And you can see actually there are 30 channels. You can see this is power, voltage, this is voltage. So there are many different channels, and this is for RGB LED. Because this RGB LED will change this color according to this current. If the current is large, that will change to red. If the current is low, that will turn green. So this will be changed a different color. And let's look at Home Assistant Energy dashboard. And at here, you can see you can choose by week, or today, or yesterday, or different months or year. So I can click this week, and you can see this is the dashboard have showed the history of the energy meter. You can see how much energy you have used, and you can also set the cost, because I have not set. So you can see how much energy you have consumed. Oh, at here. So this is saved by Home Assistant dashboard. Okay, we can back to Home Assistant. And this have a menu control button, and this also have a menu control button. For example, we can test if I turn all off, but this time my Home Assistant is broken. For example, I disconnect the network cable, so this Home Assistant can't work. You can see if I turn on this relay 1, channel 1, it can't work. So, but this time you can also use this menu control button. You can see for this one, and you can see this is 32. If I turn on 32, you can see that is turn red, and off, on, off, on. So you can see this will be turn red. So you can see this menu control button, you can turn on and turn off without any software, without firmware. So you can use anytime, even if the software is broken, even if your server is broken. Okay, maybe you will ask, if this broken and this is broken, this also is broken. Okay, the last way you can use this one, you can see, you can use this menu control button for turn on and turn off. So this also is physical. So this is the final way so that you can turn on and turn off physically. So you can see, just very easy. Just if you want control by the Home Assistant or by the software, you just change to middle. Just this you can see is auto this operation, and this is for on and this is for off. So when you turn on and turn off, so if this is the top level, so even if the software in any operation state, so you just want on, just press up, and if you want off, just press down. So you can see this can control manually. Okay, this is contact. This contact, you can see we have choose this 25 ampere. Actually, you can choose any different contact current according to your load. For example, you can see this have different contact, and this have different contact. So you can use for different load. For example, this is 3-phase. You can see it's a 3-phase and 63 ampere. You can see this is 40 ampere and this is 25 ampere. This is 3-phase, and this one you can see 25 ampere 3-phase and 40 single phase, and this one and 16 ampere single phase. So you can see there are so much different Kinkoney contact you can choose by yourself. Just use this different contact and you can replace this different channel contact so that you can define your own power distribution box according to your load, according to your house construction. Okay, this is a smart power distribution box with this energy meter function and the principle. And in next video, I will show you how to use Kingkong software work without Home Assistant. Just work in local network with the PC software or with the mobile phone software directly. Okay, thanks for watching.